Hi everyone, I'm Jackie and I'm here to help you pass your US citizenship interview. Today is another mini mock. I'll go over civics questions, reading and writing, and some very helpful N400 questions that the officer may ask you. Let's get right into it. All right, first let's start with the civics questions. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? The Civil Rights Movement. And don't confuse that with the Civil War. It's the Civil Rights Movement. Next one. Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II? Franklin Roosevelt. Next one. Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in? World War II. What does the judicial branch do? Reviews laws. So you can think of judicial as judges, and they review laws. What is the rule of law? Can you guess? Everyone must follow the law. Pretty straightforward. Name 2 national U.S. holidays. Pick your 2 favorite. New Year's Day and Christmas. Christmas is mine. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military? The president. What is freedom of religion? You can practice any religion or not practice a religion. Why did the colonists fight the British? Because of high taxes. Nobody likes taxes. Last one. What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did? He freed the slaves through the Emancipation Proclamation. All right, did you get them all right? I hope so. If not, rewatch it and practice. Let's move on to the reading and writing. I will start with 3 reading sentences. Please read this on the tablet. What was one of the first states? Okay. Please read this out loud. Where is the White House? Can you please read this on the tablet for me? When is Flag Day? All right, now let's move on to the writing portion. I will say a sentence out loud and I need you to write it down for me. Delaware was one of the first states of the United States. Okay, please write this sentence down. The White House is in Washington, D.C. All right, last one. Please write this down. Flag Day is in June. Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes? This means, did you pay all of your taxes, or do you still owe money to the government? Remember, you need to bring your tax transcripts with you for 5 years or 3 years, depending on your application. Now, if you owe money, you need to show proof of your payment plan and that it's up to date. I recommend requesting a letter of good standing from the IRS, and you can do that online. Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes? Yes, I do. I have a payment plan with the IRS, and here's my letter of good standing. Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit? This means, did you ever marry someone to get a visa, green card, or citizenship, for example? Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit? No, never. How many times have you been married? This really confuses a lot of people. So this includes your current marriage and any previous marriages. So if you've only been married once and you are currently married, the answer would be once. How many times have you been married? Only once. Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason? If you've ever gotten a traffic ticket, that is a citation. So you need to answer yes to this question. And don't worry, it's not a big deal. Now for tickets over $500, you need to bring the proof of payment. Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason? Yes, officer, I do. I had a speeding ticket about 3 years ago. I went to traffic school, and here's my proof of payment.